In 2019, the Gospers Mountain fire came through. It started, I think, in October. We were in Sydney when we heard that the fire had come, and we looked at the computer images where the fire had gone, and it showed that it had gone right across our property.
Yes.
And for that morning, we were absolutely devastated. We just thought we'd lost everything. And it wasn't until we actually got to our street that we found out that the house was safe. I'm Barb. We live in the beautiful Blue Mountains at Mount Tomah, very close to the Botanic Gardens at Mount Tomah. This is my husband Les, and we've been living here for 12 years.
I was drawn to this property by a couple of things. My wife Barbara, she's dead keen on gardens, and when we came to look at the property, the mist was there and it was just beautiful.
This property is 5 acres. It's a long, narrow block. It goes down a steep slope at the back into a bushed area. It is on volcanic soil, which is fabulous for growing plants. And if you look down the back, you can see how well they've grown and how difficult it is to control them and keep the property fireproof.
My name's Jacob. I work for Habitat for Humanity Australia. I'm a site supervisor for the Bushfire Resilience Program. Today I'm in the Blue Mountains in Mount Tomah, helping out Barbara and Leslie get on top of their overgrown land that's presenting a major bushfire risk to their property. Habitat for Humanity Australia is a not-for-profit organisation where we try to give back to the community with Brush with Kindness, bushfire recovery and now bushfire resilience. The Bushfire Resilience Program is aimed to make fire-prone properties more fireproof and fire-ready for the future.
HoseLink's helping Habitat by providing tools which are really beneficial for our volunteer activities. We have lots of volunteers on site that need tools to deliver the activities. They're also providing a team of volunteers today to help us deliver the program.
So today we're getting the volunteers to help us clear out this overgrown bush you can see behind me. The bush is located on a really steep incline, so it's really hard for Barbara and Leslie to get down here to do it themselves. So what we're doing today is clearing this out for them, get it to a standard that's easy for them to maintain, and also we're going to be establishing a very large fire break between the bushland and the house that's at the top of the hill.
So today we're just basically clearing a bit of shrub and bush for a fire break. Super hard work but really satisfying. So this is super different from a normal working day for me. So I normally drive a forklift. I guess I'm still picking things up and dropping them off, but not normally bush.
Today we've been out helping out with Habitat Humanity, basically just to try and clear a lot of this land. There's more going on down there where they're cutting back all the grass and everything. To be able to do it for a reason like this, to actually come out and help someone, clear their bushland, get the fire breaks in and everything. And then on top of that, to be able to do it with such a lovely team, we work with such good people, and it's awesome to be able to get out and just sort of hang out and have fun with them while also doing something good.
Great works today so far, guys. We've really got on top of this clearing. We'll look to now start centralising the debris here, make a nice little burn pile, and then so that the homeowners, Barbara and Les, can get on, burn it away. Volunteers are very important to Habitat for Humanity, as we have heaps of people we need to help. We're always looking for more volunteers at Habitat for Humanity Australia, so if you want to lend a helping hand, please visit our website. So we're finally finished here today at Barbara and Leslie's house. We've executed a really good fire break behind the back of the property. So now it goes the bushland, the fire break, and then the house itself. So it was a really good effort today by the volunteers, and Barbara and Leslie are very thankful for it.
Very, very, very grateful. I think this is just fantastic. Yes.
Oh, it was a fabulous day. Gee, they did a lot of work. They just worked so hard. It's been marvellous. It's just taken a weight off my shoulders, and that's been so good. And thank you. Thank you so much. You're going to do one more question?
Why not?
All right, good.
Do you want me to wriggle my ears?
And remember, you don't answer her question.
No, I
you
wouldn't.
start it like it's.
I never did.
Good.
No,
Lovely.
no, I wouldn't do it.
Good. Off you go. So
'Cause
what's
I'm a
What's the
professional.
question you're going to ask?